Cryptocurrency, a word you've probably heard countless times by now, but how does it actually work? Today, we're diving into the world of digital currency and breaking down how cryptocurrency functions, from blockchain technology to Bitcoin and beyond. What is cryptocurrency? In simple words, cryptocurrency is digital or virtual money. Unlike traditional currencies like dollars or euros, cryptocurrencies only exist online, secured by something called cryptography. The most famous cryptocurrency out there is Bitcoin, which launched in 2009. Now, here's the backbone of cryptocurrencies: blockchain technology. Think of blockchain as a digital ledger or record book, where every transaction is logged and verified by multiple computers. But unlike traditional banking systems, there's no single authority overseeing this. It's completely decentralized. Now, how does transaction work? When you send cryptocurrency to someone, your transaction is bundled with others in a block. This block is verified by miners, special computers solving complex puzzles. Once verified, it's added to the blockchain, where it becomes permanent and transparent for everyone to see. Mining is essential to cryptocurrency. Miners use powerful computers to solve cryptographic puzzles. Once they solve one, they validate a block of transactions, and in return, they are rewarded with cryptocurrency. This process keeps the network secure and running smoothly. One major benefit of cryptocurrency is security. Cryptocurrencies are decentralized, meaning there's no single point of failure like with banks. Every transaction is encrypted and verified by many participants, making it incredibly hard to hack or manipulate. While Bitcoin is the most well-known, it's not the only cryptocurrency out there. Ethereum, Litecoin, and hundreds of other coins offer different features and uses. Ethereum, for example, powers decentralized applications, while Litecoin is known for faster transaction speeds. Cryptocurrency is reshaping the future of finance, offering new ways to handle money, investments, and even technology. If you enjoyed learning about how it works, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more updates.